Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into AGWORLD app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The AGWORLD is a powerful farm management tool designed to help growers, agronomists, and a team plan and record everything from planting and spraying to harvest and rainfall. It supports offline use, lets you sync details field operation, and offer real-time collaboration with advisors, great for studying, organized, compliant, and informed. On the downside of the app, the key features like advanced reporting, cost tracking, and multi-user access required a paid subscription. Some users also report slow sync times and a somewhat steep learning curve when onboarding. So in my opinion, AGWORLD is absolutely worth using if you're serious about data-driven farming and working with a team. But for smaller operation or farm just starting with digital record keeping, the cost and complexity may be more than what you need. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.